Hello, my name is Anna Basińska. Welcome to Protima's showroom in Poznań, Poland. Today, I'm pleased to introduce our new baby automatic washing machine from economic line. It's model ASZ-1800. While designing and building this automatic washing machine, we were primarily thinking about large units already equipped with big automatic washing machines. If this applies to you, this small machine would allow you to wash smaller racks without blocking the big machine. That would definitely speed up the process of washing and increase your daily productivity. Of course, if you have a small unit and cannot afford buying a big machine yet, this small machine would work perfectly. It's just like with centrifuges. Why put a small rack into such a big machine while you can spin it in a smaller one? You don't block the big machine and your electricity bill is lower. Let's start with the basic dimensions of the machine. I guess the most important number is the width of the rack that can be washed in this machine. It is 1 meter and 86 centimeters, a little bit more than 6 feet. However, the entire length of the machine is 2,3 meters. It is 1,4 meter wide and 1,52 meter high. At the moment, the machine is on wheels. They can be used only for transportation and must be replaced with rubber blocks immediately after installation and before the first startup. Of course, the blocks comes with the machine. You probably wonder what are the differences between this small machine and its bigger sister, economic ASZ-1800. Well, the biggest difference is the working width, that is 120 centimeters shorter. As a result, in the washing section, there are 2 brushes instead of 4 brushes. What is more, this small machine does not require a connection to compressed air system. And because of fewer engines, it also consumes less electricity. This machine is going to work in our largest rock laundry in Poznań, Poland, and will be in constant use for 14 hours a day. We hope to speed up the washing process by 20–30% without hiring another employee. And now, let's watch a few snapshots of the washing process with soft brushes. This is what our automatic washing machine economic ASZ-1800 looks like. Hope you like the video. If you have any questions, please contact us. We will be happy to answer all of them. I also invite you to go to Protima's webpage where you can find all our devices and accessories with prices, dimensions and technical data. And subscribe to our channel to be up to date with Protima. See ya!